Good morning, students. See, we have started our new chapter SCF and LCM. So, exercise 3A we have completed in our previous video. Today we will start our next topic, common factors. So, we will do some examples. Example number 4. Find the common factors of 54 and 72. Common factors. Okay, find the common factors of 54 and 72. Example number 4 we are solving 54 and 72. So, how to find the common factors that we have studied in our previous video? 54. What are the factors of 54? You know, 1, 2, 3, 4 is not there, 5 is not there, 6, no, 6 is there, 7 is not there, 8 is not there, 9 is there, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, no. Then see, 18 is there, 27, then again 54. Now what is the common factors of 72? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 18, 24, 36 and 72. Now see, you have to find the which are the common factors in both. See, 1 is there, 1 is also here, 2 is there, yes, 2 is also here, 3 is there, yes, 3 is also here, 4 is there, no, 6 is there, is 6 is there, yes, 6 is there, 9 is there, yes, 9 is also here, 18, yes, 18 is also here, 27 is there, but 27 is not here, so it is not a common factor. 54, no, 54 is not there, 72 is not there. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 are the common factors of common factors of 54 and 72. Okay. See, for finding the common factors, first of all you have to study the content given here, highest common factor of HCF. See this possible factorizations, this table given here, school, number of students, possibilities, these all questions you have to read it once. Now methods of finding HCF, there are many methods of finding the HCF of 2 or more numbers. One of them is listing factors. So this is your second method to find the highest common factor, listing factors. Now finding HCF by listing factors, solve the example number 5. Example number 5, find the HCF of 18, 27 and 45 by listing factors. HCF of 18, 27 and 45 by listing factors. Okay, now see, what are the factors of 18? 1, 2, 3, 4 is not there, 5 is not there, 6, 9 and 18. What are the factors of 27? 1, 3, 9 and 27. 45, 1, 3, 5, 9 15 and 45. Okay, now see in this which are the common factors. 1 1 1, 2 is there but 2 is not there in both, so it is not a common factor. 3 is there, 3 is also here and it is also here. Okay, 6 is there, 9 is there and 9 is there, but here also 6 is not there in both, so 9 9 9. Now see 18 is there, 27 is there and 15 is there, but 18 is not there in this. Now see which is the highest common factor here. Which is the highest common factor? You can see here it is 9. Which is the highest number common here? Now see 1 is the common you got here. 2 no. 3 you will get here. 3. 6 is there but 6 is not there. 9. Now see which is the highest common factor here? 9 is the highest number you can see here. So 9 is the highest common factor. Okay. See, let us solve some exercise questions. Exercise 3b. Find the common factors of the following pairs of the numbers. Exercise 3b. First A, 12. See which are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Which are the factors of 72? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not there, 6, 7, 8 is not there, 8 is there, 9 is there, 12 is there, then 26 is there and 72. Now see which are the common factors in this both. 1, 2, 2 is not there in this. 7, yes 2 is there. 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the common factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the common factors. Okay. See question number B, 25 and 50. Which are the common factors of 25? See here you have to include 1 also. 1, 5 and 25. Which are the common factors of 50? 1, 5, 10, 25 and 50. Now see 1, 5 and 25 are the common factors here. 1, 5 and 25 are the common factors. Okay. See remaining questions you can solve by yourself. C, D, E, F, G, H all are similar, such like this you have to solve this all the questions. See we will start question second. Find the HCF of the following pairs of numbers by listing the factors. By listing method we have to solve this question. First of all solve A, 24 and 72. See the factors of 24 are. Which are the factors of 24? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and then 12 and 24. 72, the factors of 72 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, then 12, 24. 26, right. 8, 9, 12, 26. $36 and 72 are the factors of other. Now see which are the common factors we have to find here. Now see, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there. Common factors we have to find. 6 is there, 8 is not there, but 12 is there, 24 is there. Now see, see which is the highest common factor you can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 and 24. And here is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 and 24. So highest common factor is equal to 24. See question number B, you solve by yourself. See 18 and 21. Which are the factors of 18 are? Which are the factors of 18? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Which are the factors of 21? Of 21 are 1, 2 is not there, 3, then 7, 1, 3 and 7 are the factors of 21. Now see which is the common factor you can find here. 1, 3, 1 and 3 only. But which is the highest common factor here? Highest common factor is equal to 3, because 1 is smaller and 3 is the greater number, which is the common factor here. See D, we will solve D now. 52 and 78. See factors of 52 is equal to 1, 2, 3 is not there, 4, 6 is also not there, 7 is also not there, 8 is also not there, 9 is also not there, 10 obviously not, 11, 12, 13 is there, then 26, then 52. Now factors of 78. 1, 2, 3, 4 is not there, 5 is not there, 6 is there, 7 is not there, 9 is not there, 8 is not there, 10 no, 11 no, 12 no, 13 no, 14 no, 15, 16 may be there, 16 no, 16 is also not there, see 6 is not there, 13 is there. In 13 table we 13 6 are 78, 14 it is not there, 15 it is not there, 26 3s are 78, then 27 is not there, 28 is not there. "29 is there. So not 29, it is 39 and 78. Now see which are the common factors you can find here. 1, 2, 3 is not there, 4 is not there, 13 there, 26 is there, 52 is not common here. So common factors are 1, 2, 13 and 26. Then highest common factor is equal to, which is the highest common factor is here, 26. Okay. Now see, remaining questions do by yourself. And first of all, read the concept given here that you have to read. Solve the examples. Try to solve it in your rough copy. Then in next lecture we will start our next topic. More methods of finding HCF. So okay, we have completed our exercise 3B. Okay, and everybody don't forget to fill up your attendance. Every day you have to fill it with your same link given in your group. Okay, thank you.